Gutter oil is a general term for oil that has been recycled. It can be used to describe the practice of restaurants reusing cooking oil that has already been fried before. It can also be used to describe the processing of waste oil collected from sources such as restaurant fryers, grease traps, slaughterhouse waste and fatbergs. Entire illicit supply chains dedicated to collecting, processing, and reselling gutter oil have been discovered by regulators in China. Multiple low-end restaurants in China have been found to cook with illicitly recycled gutter oil. Additionally, in 2012, the Chinese government accused a Chinese pharmaceutical company of using gutter oil as a precursor for the manufacturing of cephalosporin antibiotics. The Chinese government has issued multiple legal bulletins outlining strategies to stymie gutter oil production since 2011, including commodifying gutter oil as a raw material to create products like soap, rubber, biofuel, plastics, rooftops, and cosmetics. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.